for the first equation, that is a consumption function CT. In this equation there are three variables, that is CT, YT and T, and the three parameters beta 1, beta 2 and beta 3. Now we will have to find the order conditions, total number of variables which is included in the whole of the model, while if we see that is a three variables in the CT equation which we are looking for the order condition, and total number equations of 4, so we can say that is the equation is exactly identified. T, investment equation, and in this equation there is only two variables, that is first variable, that is IT, and the second is YT minus 1, and two parameters alpha naught and alpha 1. So now we will have to find the order condition of the second equation, that is the investment equation. Again you can see 6 variables whole of the model, 2 variables in the IT equation, and total number of equations are 4. So 4 is greater than 3, that is an over. Looking for the third equation, that is and in this equation you can say again there are only two variables, that is T and Y1, two variables, and parameters are Y naught and Y1. Again we have to solve the order condition in this IT equation. Number of variables again 6, variables used in the T equation, Texas equation, that is a 2, so 4 is greater than 3, that is over identified equation. Question is, second part of the question is, we have seen that in the first part of the equation question there is only there are 6 variables used in the equation. Now in the we can see the B part of the equation. In the B part of the equation, now RT also used as a variable and used in the investment equation. So total number of equation will becomes a 7. So total number of equation will be 7. Once again we use order conditions of all three equations. So first we used as a CT equation. In CT equation total number of variables now 7 instead of 6. Total number of variables in the consumption equation is 3. So 4 is greater than 3, that is over identified equation, that is investment equation. Now the investment equation, the variable, the length of the variables will be 3 instead of the 2 in the A part of the equation. So now there are 3 equations, again the equation is over identified. Now lastly the third equation, again this is an over identified equation. Clearly see that the number of variables is 7 and the variables used in the Texas equation is 2. So equation is over identified.